Ultimately, we had a look online and we weren't really sure who to go with. We just looked at different businesses. Ultimately, we posted a job on OneFlare and it was around Christmas time and we weren't really getting many responses from many organisations. But Sidhu from Esteem, he called us straight away. He organised a meeting that day and he was really responsive, really efficient. He was ultimately selling the job to us and that's why we chose him ultimately. Well, we just wanted our old kitchen to be renovated into a modern kitchen, utilising all the space that we have, but eventually Sidhu convinced us, because we wanted to get the bathroom and the laundry done as well. He just convinced us to do it all at the same time. It was pretty affordable, so the purpose was, I guess, to modernise it.
I believe they delivered what was promised. Pretty happy with the end result. Time frame surprised me the most. We're getting married next month and I wanted the house to be sort of done before we get married, so well and truly happy with the time frame.
Yeah, so all done within 4 weeks?
Yeah, 4 weeks. Crazy. Sidhu made himself available throughout the whole process. It was very easy to contact him via phone, email, even made a WhatsApp group for us, so it was a quick response. I feel like the communication lines are open any time of the day. When you have a question, we can just contact him and he made himself available. Yeah, for sure. Everything that we discussed has come to what we have now. No complaints, so it's pretty good. I'm very happy with the work.
I'm happy too.
I'd say efficient. Basically, what was promised was delivered and well within the time frame that it was advised. So efficient.
I would say responsive. Every time we needed to speak to them about something, he was at our beck and call ultimately, which is good.
Yeah, look, I've been recommending them throughout the whole process to anyone that asks me what's happening with their house. I've been giving all the details, it's up to them, but yeah, it's been pretty good, I definitely would.